What's up guys, this is Kev here from Noise, and today we are going to unbox the OnePlus 6. Here you can see this is the box of the OnePlus 6. Here we have OnePlus 6 branding on the left and the speed unit branding on the right. This is the pricing information, and yes, this is the retail unit of the OnePlus 6. So let's start off with the unboxing. Firstly, let's start off by removing the plastic covering on the box. Now let's get the phone outside the box. So here we are with the phone itself. I can already see there's a notch above and there's a glass back. So let's remove the seal. Now let's boot up the device. So yes, here you can see this is the notch on the OnePlus 6, and here we are on the setting up process. Now let's keep it aside for a second. Now let's have a look at the box contents. So here we have is the quick start guide. So here we have the SIM ejector tool, and this is a cover for the OnePlus 6. And here you can see this is the dash charger and the USB Type-C cable for the OnePlus 6. Let's apply this silicone cover to the OnePlus 6. Yes, it is a proper fit because it is made by OnePlus. Here you can see proper fit. And now let's start off with the phone. Talking about specifications, the OnePlus 6 comes with a Snapdragon 845, 6 to 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and storage options of 64, 128 and 256 GB. UFS 2.1 storage. It has a display of 6.28 inches. It has an AMOLED panel, and yes, because of the notch, the display resolution is 2280 by 1080 and the aspect ratio is 19:9. Talking about cameras, it has dual rear camera setup, whereas one camera is 16 megapixel f1.7 optically image stabilized and the secondary camera is 20 megapixels, again f1.7 but this time electronically stabilized. On the front, you have a 16 megapixel sensor f2.0 aperture. Coming to the battery, it has a 3300 mAh of battery and comes with dash charge. It comes with a Type-C port, and yes, it comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. It comes with Android 8.1 out of the box, and yes, the latest version of Oxygen OS. On the right, we have the power button and the ringer switch. Yes, the famous ringer switch is there on the OnePlus 6, but this time on the right. On the left, we have the power buttons. At the bottom, we have the USB Type-C port, the speaker grill, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. So this is the OnePlus 6. I already have an update over here. So let's go to the settings. In the about device, you can see that this is the 6GB RAM and the 64GB variant. We have Android 8.1.0 and yes, Oxygen OS 5.1.0. So guys, this was a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 6. It looks like a fantastic device, and many videos of the OnePlus 6 and its comparison videos will be coming in the future. Thanks for watching guys, because that really helped. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it. My name's Kev, you were watching Noise Tech, and we're signing out.